But I'm telling you folks, this will be the most impactful, life-changing, practice-changing meeting you will ever go to, guaranteed. Because if it isn't, I will give you every penny back. I call it the free limo guarantee, and nobody's ever taken me up on it. Because if you know me, I want to over-deliver. And this meeting is going to be over-delivering like no meeting ever has. And this, to me, is the future of orthodontic meetings. Hello there, everybody, and welcome to another episode of your 5-Minute Friday. I'm your host, Dr. Glenn Krieger. Today is a unique one. Why? Because I want to take just a few minutes of your time. I know you listen to the podcast, and let me tell you, folks, I can't thank you enough for what you do. You come up to me at meetings, you talk to me wherever I am and say, hey, Glenn, I really love your podcast. And I'm like, you're the one. I always joke, we get about 10,000 downloads a month, and I don't take it for granted. And I want to say thank you. And if you like it, please post on social media, like just a little thing, hey, orthodontic friends, if you haven't listened to the Orthopreneurs podcast, spread the word the same way I would do it for your practice if I could, right? And the way you ask your patients. It would mean the world to me. But today I want to talk a little bit about something, because if you appreciate the podcast, it means you value in some small way what I'm talking about. And I've talked a great deal about this OrthoVanguard meeting that's coming up in February. And I told you it's the reason I stopped doing Summit, was so that I could innovate and create something even better than what Summit was in a much smaller format. And I just want to take literally 3 minutes, 4 minutes max, and just explain to you why being at this meeting will change your life. We have like 30 spots left. That's it. It's only 100 doctors. But let me tell you why it will change your life. I don't care if you're a new grad. I don't care if you're just coming out of residency or you've been practicing for 40 years. There has never been a meeting like this. Now, I can say that 100 times. You don't know what I'm talking about. But I guarantee you, if you're not at this meeting, when you find out what we did, you're going to come back and say, if only I'd known. Just like you tell a patient when they have treatment that's kind of complex, you want to give them all the details, because you never want them to later say, oh, if only someone had told me what jaw surgery really meant. So just give me 3 minutes of your time. I want to whet your appetite. I want you to dream a little bit. I want to inspire you a little bit by what I'm about to tell you. So OrthoVanguard, not Orthopreneurs Vanguard, it's going to be only roundtables, right? No lectures, not one lecture in the whole place. But what we're going to have is roundtables, and because before you come, once you're accepted, you have to fill out a 10-question questionnaire, which is very simple. But you just can't go online and just pay and be at the meeting. It's selective. Not everybody will be there, but hopefully anybody applying will. And before you go in February, we're going to send you a few basic questions we're going to ask you to fill out. How many years you've been in practice? What range is your production over the last year? How many team members do you have? How many locations do you have? Basic demographic information, because I'm going to vary the roundtables and who's sitting at them based on certain factors. There are times I'm going to want very like-minded people. If you've got $1.5 million practice, I want only $1 to $2 million practices at that table for this particular discussion. But there are times, say with technology, where I want a very varied group of people. So based on the year you graduated school, there might be 8 people all over the place. One who just graduated, one who's been doing it 30 years, a few have been doing it 5 or 10. And the topics that we're going to tackle, moderated every one of them by me and by Victor Antonio, who's a genius. We're going to do some simple stuff to kick it off, like clinical treatment planning. I'm going to throw up a case with so many different ways you can treat it and allow Roundtable to clinically treatment plan together right there in real time, so we can then share what we came up with, just to get our appetites wet a little bit, because we don't do that enough as orthodontists. And to be able to interact with people who don't have something to sell you on stage will be really, really good. And I used to do this for Seattle Study Club. I used to be the head of their treatment planning sessions at their summit, one of them, and it works great. I promise you, you'll come away enthused, energized, but now the real fun starts to happen. We're going to do hot seat coaching. Everybody's going to come with one major issue in their life. It can be personal, it can be practice, but at that table, you're going to present to the other 7 doctors this one thing you're having a hard time dealing with. I don't know how to balance my work life. I've got a toxic employee. I don't know what to do with them. I can't seem to break out of this production rut I'm in. I can't seem to keep team members. Whatever that is, bring it. And you'll state it, and for 10 minutes, everybody else at the table is only focused on you and you alone to help you solve it. And then we'll go through every solution. Let me tell you, people, this alone will change your life. I've seen it. We've tested this with other groups, my RD group, and it's amazing. So you'll do that, and everybody goes around, and you'll help others with their problems. most importantly, you'll see you're not alone. We're going to do a tech hackathon where everybody's going to bring one amazing innovation or tech hack in their practice. The team is going to vote on it, which one is the most impactful, and then that table is going to tear into that one thing and make it even better. So it'll be the best. And then every table in the room will get up and share their tech innovation. And mind you, everything is being recorded and being run through AI so that every table, every person gets a customized 90-day plan after all of these conversations just for them, with a summary of every conversation that was had. This is going to be crazy. We're going to do the same thing with marketing. We're going to do the same thing with building your dream team, how to increase case acceptance we're going to roundtable things with very specific goals. And I'm not going to go through each one right now. I'll hit them at different 5-Minute Fridays. The KPI Rescue Roundtable. You're going to bring one KPI that you struggle with, just one. And we're going to do the same thing. It could be new patient flow. It could be same-day starts. It could be overhead, number of appointments to finish a case. It could be any KPI, any key performance indicator that you're struggling with in your practice or that you want to make better. And you're going to bring that to the table. And for 10 minutes, everybody at that table is focused on you and you alone to help you get ideas of how to make that better. People, I'm telling you, this is the keys to the kingdom, right? If you think you know it all, you should not be at this meeting. But if you're like me and you value being around varied groups of people, not just to make friends, which you're going to, but to really dive deep into everything the way I just described it, with HR, with KPIs, with marketing, with case acceptance, with the one problem you got. If that's not enough, just the very end of it, the Get Rich panel at the end, I have invited top people in private equity, not OSOs, private equity, venture capital, commercial lending, residential lending, commercial development and building, residential real estate, investing, cryptocurrency. I have a whole panel of people along with a CPA who's one of the best in the world at figuring out tax planning and what have you, life insurance as an investment vehicle, not a scam, and an attorney. So what we're going to do is allow you to ask questions ahead of time that I will moderate so that when they say, here's what you think about when you do commercial real estate, I turn to the commercial real estate lender and go, okay, now they want to do that. What do they need to know about commercial lending? Okay, cool. Attorney, what do they need to be worried about? It's going to be a panel like nobody's ever seen before. And again, it's all being recorded and run through AI. So that's going to be 2 hours, just that alone, where you're going to learn how to get rich with the money you're making or will make, and hopefully the more money you'll make by going through this meeting. So if this doesn't blow you away, don't come to this meeting. But there's a reason there's only 30 seats left. So please, go to OrthoVanguard.com. The website doesn't do it justice. There is no way it can teach you what I just taught you about this meeting. But I'm telling you, folks, this will be the most impactful, life-changing, practice-changing meeting you will ever go to, guaranteed. Because if it isn't, I will give you every penny back. Like every meeting we've ever run, at the end of the first day, if you don't say to me, this was the greatest meeting I've ever been to, if you say, I didn't like it, it wasn't good, I will pay for your limo to go back to the airport. I will pay back every penny you paid for the meeting. And I call it the free limo guarantee, and nobody's ever taken me up on it. Because if you know me, I want to over-deliver. And this meeting is going to be over-delivering like no meeting ever has. And this, to me, is the future of orthodontic meetings. This is why I stopped doing Summit, so that I get 100 people in a room and change every one of their freaking lives. So go to OrthoVanguard.com, sign up now, and the best part of all is you can pay it off over time. You don't even have to pay it all at once. I'm doing everything I can to get you into a room to get out of your own way. Whether you're willing to do it is up to you. Love you all. Thank you for listening. Have a wonderful day.